Having known that most cooking seasoning contains monosodium glutamate, which is toxic in human bodies, and have been linked to several health challenges, reports stated that almost 5% of people are affected by monosodium glutamate, hydrogenated oil, chemical preservatives, and additive coloring. My name is Joeyemmy Foods, the co-founder of Joeyemmy Ventures Nigeria Limited. Our company processes and produces natural and hygienic nutritious foods using unique and highly nutritious raw materials produced by holders, farmers, thereby bridging the gap of middlemen to produce an affordable, healthy product for Africans 5% of its market in its community, but it's being constrained with some certain milestones, such as inadequate machinery and equipment that are needed to meet government registration board standards, such as NAFDA and SON. This will make us foster economic growth, great jobs, and empower local communities.